In this video, we will discuss the transitive property of parallelism and two lines perpendicular to the same line theorem. Two theorems. I want you to understand that you can use the relationships of two lines to a third line to decide whether the two lines are parallel or perpendicular to each other. So we have our transitive property of parallelism. If two lines are parallel to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. So if we're given line A is parallel to line B and B is parallel to line C, so we have line A is parallel to line B and B is parallel to C. Then we have line A is parallel to line C. So our two lines perpendicular theorem. It states in a plane if two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. So if M is perpendicular to T and N is perpendicular to T, then we have line M is parallel to line N. Now let's prove the two lines perpendicular theorem. Given in a plane R is perpendicular to T and S is perpendicular to T, we need to prove that R is parallel to S. So here's our paragraph proof we're going to use. Angle 1 and angle 2 are right angles by definition of perpendicular. And we know that because of that, angle 1 must be congruent to angle 2 since corresponding angles are congruent. Line L has to be parallel to line S. This concludes our lesson. If you have any questions, again, jot them down, ask them in class tomorrow. Have a good day.